GJ flying, yeah, boy. GJ is flying. London move is done. Wowza. Morning, good morning, everyone. My nose is still bad, so I apologize for that. Yes, finally, some volume. Finally.
Let's take a look
over here. So we're actually getting some volume over here, and where are we coming? We're exceeding these daily candles over here. Nice. I can hear a little bit of a. Let's move these guys. Okay, so daily time frame. I'm begging GBPJPY to fake out the highs. Are you in a GBP sell? Ooh. So let's take a look over here. The daily is nice. The daily is bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. Nice. So a lot of volume coming in now. This is good. Finally, we're getting out of the zone. Thank God. Look at the hourly. Nice. So I wouldn't actually want to be taking many of these trades really until about now, which is good. So right around these highs over here potentially. Where does that mean at? Yeah, right around the zone. I'm quite happy to take some trades. I'll be looking for closes above. I'm not really too bothered about this over here, this little minor one, because it was done at the close of the daily, so it only just ranges a bit, etc, etc. So what I'm going to be doing over here is marking a buy line over here. I really want to focus on some buys, potentially at 8 o'clock where the volume comes in, so we can make the low wick. See if we get a closure now, but if not, I'm happy to wait for the hourly to give you some nice momentum above 153.692. Wicked. So buys above, very simple. I'm only looking for sells if we want to come back down to these lows. I'm not playing in this range anymore. I'm actually not going to take any trades in this. This for me is a completely no trade zone. No trade zone. It's choppy, it's slow, it's a pain in the ass. So I watched the charts yesterday and oh my god, I literally didn't want to do anything with it. Where was it? Yeah, like all around here, just choppy. Just awful. You can't believe you missed GJ? You were watching it as well? How could you have really got in? I mean, so it would have been making support on the 4 hour, maybe exceeding the highs here, 311 with stop loss below 225 potentially. Did anyone else take that in the Zoom? I know a lot of people were looking at buys today. Look pretty good if you wanted to take it, but still in this zone I still probably wouldn't have taken anything, knowing that the 4 hour closed bearish as well. But now we're pushing up over here. I'm going to be looking. It was news. Ooh, let's take a look over here. Well, that's fine then. I don't know why you guys keep on saying you've missed the move. You haven't missed the move yet. Unemployment rate is down. Claimant count change is down as well. Average earnings is up. Yeah, so quite good news for GJ. For GBP, sorry. Nice. You got 35 pips on GJ. Shee. Nice. So, what was everyone saying today in the chat before? So this is what GJ was looking like. Okay. And someone was looking for like this kind of a closure back in. Makes sense. Yeah, so Ignacio says here, no actual entry in my perspective. Volume wasn't there and weak 30-minute close. Yeah, I kind of agree. I don't think there was that much. Unless you were looking for support forming, I don't think there was much there. So don't be worried, there's still a lot of time left. We're finally coming towards the highs to be broken. And if we do break them over here, we've got a nice zone to fill. So I'm looking towards the left, looking for where potential resistance is. If we come and break this resistance, we're going to come to the next one, which is around about this zone 385. That's a beautiful range. Holy shit. Okay, very, very clean candles, so nice. And if we do break above over here, we should potentially come to this support at these highs over here. So there's nice targets, I'm not gonna lie. Some really, really nice targets if we do close above, which I'm gonna wait for because I don't think this 30 minutes is gonna close above. If it does, then what am I gonna be waiting for on this 30 minute over here? I'm gonna be waiting for the candle to come up over here, close above like this. Next one, come down, and then start to continue over here. That'll be my entry right here. Bob's your uncle. Alright, let me do some potential close above. Yeah, potentially, but it doesn't look like it maybe. Let me just do some Instagram over here. Right, Instagram. 1 second, guys. But looking quite tasty. Looks like gold kind of ran off over here yesterday, but then it's kind of held its tops over here. The last daily actually did close bearish, and we're really, really respecting this zone over here. So 1867, it's held a lot of times. It's tapped it twice, 3 times. So looking pretty good to continue down, but potentially sells, I think, probably below. I mean, potentially below 1862 to continue down to these lows, 1858. Potentially. But I'm going to do that in a second. 1 sec. Let's just get this over here. Finally, though, everyone pray. GJ's getting out of the zone. Thank God. Been in it for fucking 6 weeks. Not 6 weeks, 6 days. The amount of messages I've had of people saying they've lost kind of momentum, they feel a bit shit, and it's only 6 days. Like, I'm telling you, it's a mental game. 1 second. Yeah, I've had like 4 or 5 people tell me that they're telling me that they are struggling this week, and last week they've lost confidence, and I go, yeah, because look at the charts. No shit, you've lost confidence. That's not your fault, that's the chart's fault, so just chill. 1 second. There we go. Okay, wicked. There we go. Alright, 32 people in Zoom. What are your thoughts on GU? I'm going to take a look at that as well in a second over here. But this is good, right? So, look, 15 minute, 30 minute didn't close above, so I'm going to be waiting a bit longer over here, but that's completely fine with me. I'm taking my time. I know there's so much room up here. I don't want to fanny on in this room anymore. I'm sick of it. So, you take 2 trades today? I haven't taken any today. So, let's take a look at gold, okay? So, gold on the higher time frames, it's just going to be flipping the daily right about now. Damn, Daniel. Four hour is coming down, nice. So 4 hour is rejecting the highs over here, which is good. Let's look at the 30 minute. 30 minute is coming down to a bit choppy area. Look at the 15. So they can kind of see that on this daily flip there's a little minor support over here to potentially come back down to 1858. So potentially a closure below with a nice top wick and drive down. That may be quite solid. So let's just do this over here. We've got a really, really good volume. It's starting to come in nicely. So 1862.45. Nice. Beautiful. So yeah, waiting for the closures. Think that could be really, really good. GJ is just chilling. As I said, I'm going to be waiting patiently for the closure. Hopefully the hourly can get a closure above. Nice strong hourly to get out of the zone. This absolutely horrendous zone. Look, it started on the 4th of November, and it is now the 16th. So don't you worry. A lot of people are feeling really, really shit right now about the price and stuff and how GJ is reacting, but don't worry about it. Let's take a look at GA, and then we'll look at GU over here. I'm going to take a look at some charts as well in Telegram, see if your charts are like mine, and then we can get ready to sit and wait patiently for our hourly coming up. Looking nice, looking nice. How far is it from these highs? Take a look over here. It's moved up quite heavily. Oh, still got quite a lot of zone. So, look at support, right? This is how you draw your zone. So look, there's support here, support over here, support here. So this is the key level, okay? So that's where my support would be. This is normal GJ behavior. Exactly. Finally, a bit of fucking volume. Holy shit. So actually, GA has closed above over here. So potentially, 15 minute. 50 minute has exceeded this low though, but potentially to continue bullish. Maybe wait for the hourly in 25 minutes to give you that extra confirmation. But if price does want to flip over here and continue, it can highly continue up to these highs over here. So nice range that's breaking into. Yeah, nice. So potentially, I mean, getting in the high, it's quite far into that zone already. Let's take a look over here. Still 23 pips though. Look at the 15. Yeah, 15 has exceeded the low though, which is a bit annoying, but it is just the pullback for the 30 minutes, so not too shabby. Oh, my nose, man. So yeah, 10 minutes time for the 15 and 24 minutes for the 30. GJ is going to be my focus today, and gold as well, to be fair. 9 minutes time. Potentially, if it gets the closure that we want. Oh, I got a nice coffee in the morning. Yes, I'm feeling good now. Finally, we're getting out of this fucking zone. London move is done. I'm going back to sleep. It is not done. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. It's only getting started. It's only getting started. Tengus, get that G. Wait, guess that GBP gonna be bull this week. Maybe. Maybe try not to say the word guess, because if you're saying guess, are you really doing what you should be doing? If you're guessing that something's happening, then it should be a confirmation. For example, I could say if we get an hourly close above this zone, then there's confirmation we're gonna leave this zone up, and therefore we could be bullish. So yeah, but don't say like I'm just gonna guess. Imagine trading full time and saying you're just guessing everything. What the fuck? Right, let's take a look at GBPUSD. Someone asked for it in the chat over here, so let's take a look. Okay. So daily time frame over here. Nice. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So daily is bullish. Nice. Exceeded the high of the previous as well, which is good. The 4 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. That is a bit annoying, not gonna lie. If that's on yours as well, just take a look. But however, the hourly and the 30 minutes closed above. Yeah, 30 minutes closed above over here. Nice. So closing above 1.3440. So kind of the same situation as GA over here. If it does break with these highs and close and flip in 22 minutes time, where could price continue over here? Well, price could continue up. I hit the next resistance, which is here. Oh my god, my nose is actually killing me. So that is a nice 30 pip zone over here, pretty tasty. Take a look at the hourly. 22 minutes left. Yeah, I think probably waiting for the hourly is going to give you that bit extra confirmation. It's kind of the same situation as GA is here, because the 15s exceed the low of the previous. It's just kind of chilling on this. It was resistance, but now it could be acting as support over here. So that's pretty good. GU views, I think very, very bullish. Finally breaking above this 4 hour over here. Just wait for the closure. Look at the 5 minute. Look at GJ. So GA is coming up. Nice. I think for me, I'm gonna wait for the hourly, because I think if the hourly over here doesn't close above this zone, then it hasn't actually broken into that zone yet. So the hourly is just gonna give me that extra confirmation. And yeah. Oh, my nose. Who's in internet? Antonio. What's Antonio looking for today?
Looking for them buys, my G.
Yeah.
Yeah, on GJ.
Yeah. Looking pretty solid.
Yeah.
Looking.
I actually started the daily flip strategy. Right. I'm running like 50 pips in profit right now on GJ buys. I
Nice. So you got in here. Stop loss below the previous.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. And then I moved my stops to break even at 30 pips, and then it's been running since.
Nice. That's like a 2-to-1, really.
Yeah.
So like right around
Second
exceeding
trade.
that high, yeah, you should put your stops to break even. Nice.
Yeah.
Tasty. I'm just trying to think. So yeah, if you did that on these, would you still enter? Yeah, I suppose you would. Yeah, you just. How big would your stop be here? And then if something goes wrong, so for example, you get in here, stop loss is below the previous. Because I'm assuming when you enter in the trades, that's the thing, innit? Like, would it be Asian? Like, because Asian's normally the one that makes the lower wick, doesn't it?
Yeah. So like it'll come down, create a lower wick, and then I'll just put a buy stop. Or
So what?
sell stop.
So if in that case, then if this is the right, this candle closed, this one opens Asian, this one exceeds the high straight away, would you be buying? Would you try it?
In that case, nah, because there's like resistance in that area on the daily. So since it's not clean traffic, I wouldn't. But
Yeah,
I would
yeah.
definitely. Let me get my annotations. I would definitely over here though, like right here.
Yeah. Facts. Facts. It's closed above resistance. Yeah, so that would be 80 pips stop. Fucking hell. So 80 pips stop, and you could trail it on the next daily. I don't know. So you could either take it off here, 180 pip gain. So that's like a 25 pip trade with a 10 pip stop, or you could potentially trail it with the dailies over here and run that bitch all the way up. Interesting.
Or like wait for like a bearish closure and then
Yeah.
pull your profits.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool, wicked. I did see it before. I might actually do that as a YouTube video, like just testing out something.
Bro, Don does it, bro.
And done.
He tried it last week with gold.
With gold.
Yeah.
Remember
he did like I think he had posted on his story. He got a daily flip buy, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like for here, if you got in 100 pip stop, 300 pip gain.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense to be fair. I might actually do that as a YouTube series, just trying out new things.
Yeah,
Quite
you should,
fun.
bro. It's really the runners that do damage.
Yeah, facts. Hassan goes, holy moly, thanks God, GJ leaving this bloody hell zone. Mate, I'm telling you. Okay, I have a question about trailing stop loss. In cases like GJGA with the big move up and barely no levels to trail stop loss, how would you do it? So it's trailing is you can use on so many different time frames. So for example, the most time frame that I like trailing, if I want to trail, is the 15. I think the 15 is quite a good easy medium. You can trail it quite high and only just respect its lows, its highs, etc. So trailing stop loss in cases GA with a big move up and barely no levels. Yeah, so if it's just moving up so quickly and you want to be able to trail, you just drop down to the lower time frame. So like here, if you got into a buy like here, etc. But it was on the 15, etc. And then this starts to push up. This is on the 5-minute time frame. You could, if you wanted, wait for this candle to close, then you have your stops to break even. And then when this one starts to run off over here, you move your stop loss to here. Then this one moves off, then you move it to here. Then this one moves off, you move it to here. And then you've just got that full move. So there's lots of ways of doing it. If you can't find anything on, if you can't like trail on the 15s, then go to the 5s and just do it on the low of the 5s. So let this next candle form, make the low wick continue. Then when this continues, put it to the low. You can do that because I've seen a lot of moves where it just continues. Like if you're in here, so if you got into a buy over here and you want to trail, etc. Well, when it comes up to here, probably stop loss to break even. Next one makes the lower wick, then continues. When it comes up over here, you wait for the next low wick, then continues. Then you move it to here. Then next one opens, makes the low wick continue, so you move it here. Next one makes a low wick, tries to continue, can't, so you get stopped out there. So you get the whole move basically. So yeah, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, just try and use a time frame and just do what we say. You know, bullish candles, if it's a buy, they tend not to exceed the lows of previouses and exceed the highs. So yeah, that's a way of doing it. If it's really quick, anyway, 5 minutes is quite good for that. So 15 minutes left, looking good, looking good. 3 seconds of this candle over here. So people might be like, right, Max, could we take this now? It's kind of closed like on it. And what am I going to say? I'm going to say no, because look,
Chill out.
chill the fuck out, because you know the only way I take, you know, proper trades at 7:45 is when it's clear, there's so much volume and we're breaking it, etc. If not, I just wait for the hourly, because look, it's quite close to resistance, hasn't closed strongly above like this, so still could reject. So what I'm going to be doing is waiting for the hourly, because the hourly is going to give me so much more confirmation. Don't worry, Andrew, that's a good question that was. Because look, the hourly in 14 minutes time, if it looks like this, you don't know if it's going to break, it's right on it. But if you just wait another 15 minutes and we have a candle like that, then we are Gucci. Wait for the lower wick to tap the zone, and boom! Okay? So no point trying to get in at this time, just wait for the hourly. And the 30-minute, because 30-minute hasn't closed above, 15 literally closed on it, so there's not enough confirmation really. But yes, pray to the gods we are leaving this fucking hellhole of a zone. Holy shit. Yesterday I took 2 wins, 1 loss, and 1 break even, I think. Yeah, one of my wins was half. I had to take off half because we pushed down. And yeah, after that I was like, bro, I've already taken 4 trades, and I was like, guys, please leave the day. Like, don't be fucking playing about. I've told you now, like the charts are chalked as shit. Just leave the day. Just go for a nice walk, do some fun stuff. And I think most of the people did do it. To be fair, most of the people did, which I was happy with. But still, some people struggled, and that's when your own discipline has to come in, and you have to really be grinding. What do you think of the month of December? Is it a good trade month? Probably not the best. Towards the end, towards like the 17th, I'll be winding things down. But the start of it, I remember last year was not too bad.
It wasn't too bad last year.
Wasn't too bad, yeah. But at like 17th, 18th of December starts to die down, because you know it's coming towards holidays, and that's when I'll be on holiday actually. So yeah. I didn't even open my laptop yesterday. Well done, that's great. Beautiful. Good morning, Max. Yesterday's trades taken needs clearing. Oh shit, yeah, thank you. Let me take that over here. Thank you very much. Beautiful. So 120 people in, ready for London Open over here in 14 minutes time. 126. Sheesh! But yes, we've got some hope, guys. We're out of the zone. We're out of the zone. Look at all this. Look at all this traffic. Look at all this shit price action. Finally, you can get out of there. But this is when you need to really identify when these happen again and go, right, fuck this. I'm gonna leave this week, or leave this 4 days, and just come back the next week, and just have an alert when you come up to these highs or these lows. Because this over here, this is where you lose all your money. Okay? It's not these moves where you fucking catch loads of pips and you're feeling really confident. It's this where you lose your money. Okay? I can't stress that enough. The amount of times I've done it where I've been, you know, winning really well, you know, really nice trades, and I get to this and fucking spunk all my money trying to take some stupid trades, buy thinking it's going to continue up. I've learned a lesson. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Just to leave it the fuck alone. So it's good practice, good management. But yeah, I think everyone over here, considering last week was so bad, I think I was up like 2%, which is really good. Which is really nice. So yeah, 39 likes, guys, amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to do so. Ready, 10 minutes time, starting to break above. Yes! Thing is, for me, I'm not stressing how far this pushes up because I know the zones are so big, so I'm really not asked. What happened to your nose? I don't fucking know, to be honest. Every morning though, after this session, I'll be fine. I don't know why. It's just the morning just fucks me. Ended up getting stopped at the
I was gonna say, check out IG. Check out your DMs.
Oh, my
I
DMs.
just sent you the entry. The entry I got.
Jeez, that looks sick for the gram.
Yeah, right.
Nice. Did you get in before that wick there, so it came back to like?
Yeah, bro. I was already at break even in my sleep.
Oh.
I'm like, yo, it came literally that close to break even.
Nice. Nah, that's worked well. It's good. It's good. It's good. You should get a humidifier and turn it on at night. Ah, yeah. Maybe potentially. Morning first Zoom. Yeah, Nathan's in the building. Nathan from Newcastle, I think he is as well. Jeez. Oh, he's Newcastle Dream Boys or something. 132 people in. Let's get it. So yeah, beautiful. Waiting for the closure. It's gonna be gorgeous. I'm not asked how far this pushes up. The more, the better, to be honest. I'm looking at where my stop loss would be. So if you come down now, if you come here, make the lower wick. That's around about 10 pips. Should continue bullish. Looking nice. If you look at our trades we take, this is going to be just a closure above. I tried to get Forza working with this wheel and it didn't work. I was very pissed off at that. So I'm gonna have to get a stupid controller. I had 6 PS4 controllers. I don't know where any of them are from uni. Uni just gobbles them. Yeah, waiting for a closure above, just like this. Beautiful. Yeah, so people in the mentorship as well, we're going to have a drop-in session. If you have any questions, you can come and talk to me personally. Get all your questions out of the way. Make you feel a bit better, cleaner. But yeah, congrats to everyone who hasn't overtraded this week and been chilling, waiting for the breaks, because I tell you, don't be playing around in this shitty zone. It could be the flip. Where's did I like this one? Yeah, I should get a humidifier, to be fair. It's a good idea. So nice. So what are my issues here? So if this candle closes and runs off straight away, then that's fair. I can't really take that. I'm gonna be waiting for a bit of a little wick to pull down, and then, because at the moment, like, I mean, potentially a stop's alright actually. No, a 20 pip stop actually. Fuck that shit. Yeah, I want a bit more of a pull down. So if I get in like on the flip, like when this flips over here, 15 pips, yeah. I'm gonna be waiting for this lower. But looking good though, looking good. Thank God for that. Oh my God, thank God. If it closes above there, it's all even better. But yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for this lower wick. Maybe monthly has made its low wick to continue up.
It broke the weekly highs. The previous weekly highs. So.
That's good. That's good. Yeah. We could run up a lot over here. We've got some nice zones.
Oh hell yeah.
What up, Maxi boy?
What up, my boy? How's Finny boy doing?
I'm so sorry about Friday night.
Oh, bro, right? Sorry, that's fucking sick.
Oh, I
I would have
thought you
done
were
the
gonna be
same thing.
mad.
What? How the fuck could I be mad? Basically,
I
I'd say
don't-
Finn comes on. He's with the boys. He's fucking partying.
It's good.
The one thing I was pissed off, Finn. One thing I was pissed off, Finn, is he didn't fucking take the trade we got into. You were fucking
Which one?
partying.
Oh yeah. Oh man, can you imagine?
That'd have been sick. You'd be like, fuck yeah.
I wasn't in a state to do it, honestly.
My man was gone.
Yeah, he was vibing. Oh shit, GA has gone. Damn. Nice. Well, good. Yeah, good thing. Oh shit. Yeah, good thing we didn't take. Didn't get the closure below over here on gold. I am patiently waiting for the closure below. I think because a nice zone to fall over here. We have rejected these highs so many times. 28 pip zone to fall down. Nice. 126 people in, ready for the London Open. Beautiful. Beautiful. Have you taken any trades today? No.
Hey Max,
Hello.
there's a little bit of resistance on the
Here.
15-minute chart on the 5th of November
Yeah. Yeah.
at 153,771. Does that concern you at all if it
So
say just broke a little below that?
yeah, so I spoke about that before, but basically it's not. It's all
Oh,
right.
sorry.
No. It's good. Good question. I think people will ask it again. Look at the time where it was. I mean, it's gonna be confusing for you because you probably don't know what time this is. But so for me, it's 10, 11 o'clock. It's the end of the day. So for me, it's not like at the end of the day is kind of just a bit like it's kind of useless. I'm not really too asked about it. Whereas compared to these ones here, this is towards US time. This is the big resistance here as well. This is towards NY session. So I'm not really too asked about that, to be honest. And anyway, like if this candle comes down and then starts to flip, then I'm not really too asked anyway. It's already rejected them, so yeah, I'm not too bothered. But yeah, I mean,
Perfect.
potentially you could move here as well. Potentially, we'll see.
No worries.
Yeah, we'll be Gucci. But this is good though. Thank God for some volume. Holy shit. It is hard though. Like, as I've said, I've had loads of people telling me that they've been struggling, last week and the start of this week. I go, yeah, I know, but need to put things in perspective, right? The reason why I've been struggling is because the pairs have been doing like this for the whole fucking time. The weeks before we got all this movement we're eating and you felt so confident. But when the moves are like this and the zones are shit, you have to be able to just take it on the chin and just go, you know what? If I take... So for example, someone said to me that last week they were minus 1.2%. I was like, minus 1.2% and you traded fucking this. That's good going, right? Some people have lost their whole accounts on that shit, so that's good. Considering when we do actually trade properly and we have some nice trades, we're up like 10%, 7% on a week, so it's really not that bad at all. So beautiful. I'm gonna start writing out something just so we're ready. But as I said, I want to wait for the bottom wick over here. But it is looking good. It's got good news as well. Thank God we're getting out of this fucking zone. Holy shit. It's beautiful. It's a celebration. So targets over here. 428. Nice. But yeah, I said the drop in will be done after the stream over here. If you have any questions, make sure to bring them and we can answer them. Okay, wicked. So, candle needs to open, make the top wick, all that good stuff. And then we can continue. 43 people in the Zoom, 131 people on YouTube. Sheesh! We're doing well. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you guys are happy that GJ's getting out of this zone. Holy shit. Like that bitch up. Like that stream, boy. Also, guys, remember to tag me in posts on Instagram. I always repost them. There's gonna be some. Also, make sure to follow the Instagram as well. I'm gonna be doing. What's it called? A post
Magic
today.
keys? Oh,
Yeah, I'm
really?
gonna be doing a Magic Keys giveaway on Friday, and that is gonna be the one for the charts. We're gonna subscribe over here, so I'm gonna take a look at Discord as well. Let's take a look over here. Look at these boys. I'm sorry, boys, but looks like. Look at this. Look at this consistency, right? Let's go up over here. Jason, Brian. We got some more over here. Jason, Brian. Nice. So, yeah, they're doing well. Let's take a look over here. Jason is looking for clean buys above 153774. Looking tasty. Very, very nice. And you're looking for buys above 750 to run to 154 flat. Yeah, nice zone. Nice zone. That's dedication right there.
Okay, 35 seconds.
Yep. Looking good. Pushing off over here. You need to chill out, GJ. You need to make that low wick for me, boy. Where's our magic keys as well?
Come on, we need that top wick. No,
Yeah,
no.
it's pushing further, boy. Oh.
No.
Nah, I'm not asked about the top wick, to be honest. I don't really care about it.
You're not?
Nah, I'm not really.
Oh, he has a small one. He has a
Yeah.
really, really small one.
That's good for me. It means when we get on the flip, it's got no wicks at the height. This is good for me. Yeah, drop down. Look at this. I'm looking at it on fucking icy markets. Shay.
Mm-hmm.
So if we had a buy stop over here, stop loss below, 15 pips stop.
Just quick.
This is gonna shoot, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Right,
Swear to
I
God.
might take a buy over here, guys. Let's take a look over here. Where the fuck's my magic keys? Right, 1 second. I'm gonna give it a bit more time, and then I'm gonna potentially. I want it to make the lower wick again, but a lot of volume's coming in over here. I'm just seeing how to get in. 4 minutes time. This is looking very, very tasty. It's just how my stop's gonna be. My stop's gonna be a bit bigger today. Right. Okay. I think we're gonna enter now, guys. I'm gonna take this trade. I think it's worth it. 1 second. When it exceeds this high over here, 846. Right about now, I'm gonna enter. Yeah, entered. Beautiful, guys. So enter this trade over here. I can't write out the position. I'll write it out now. But my stop is gonna be actually on the low it's just made. I think that's enough for me to continue bullish. Come on, GJ! Give me that volume, boy! Give me that volume, boy! So this is the trade we're in. Let me just write it out. Hopefully with volume we can continue bullish. Where are your stops, Antonio? So for
I put
me,
my stars to the lows of the previous.
yeah, how far is that? 14 pips. Yeah, to be honest, this could be a rare occasion where I may actually do that. Give it a bit more room.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that as well. Fuck it. Give it a bit more room over here because I think the zones are a lot bigger, so it's worth me doing that. To be honest, even though I don't really normally, I think it's probably worth it over here.
Bigger stops, but you know, just close half as it comes down a bit lower, should be fine.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Beautiful. Beautiful. So how am I going to manage risk? Potentially, if we exceed in the 5 minute below this kind of area, 752, I think. I may take off 50% over here. I think that could be an option. Potentially. Let's should move my TP over here. Holy shit, let's move this bitch up. A lot of volume coming in though. And yeah, I think, should I leave that 50% on over here? Exceeding, yeah, I'll do 747. That's where I really want to be getting out of this trade, because it's pushing down too far for me. So close 50% at 153.747. Nice. Nice. Where's your TP? Well, we got TPs around about 15 pips that I'm going to be taking off, and then potentially running this bitch all the way up to 265. Because we've got clean candles to the left, that's why I like it. So hopefully we can continue over here. Hopefully we can continue. Still got 10 minutes left of this candle though. Hopefully we can start going. The hourly has made the low wick, which is good. A lot of volume. Just need to give that little extra push. Did you make entry? Yes. I think we're all in this entry over here. I think every single person on planet Earth is probably looking for this fucking entry. It just needs a little bit more of a push, and then we should be Gucci.
Yeah, once it re-breaks its highs, I'm gonna be at break even.
Me too. Me too. I think that'll be a good, wise decision. So we'll see over here. 151 people watching. Nice. Let's see if we can get a dub for GJ leaving the zone over here. If not, I'm going to be managing risk. That's what I'm wanting to do over here. No wick at the bottom. I think there is. Yeah. No wick at the bottom? What are you on about, boy? Five minutes chilling. Gonna enter at the break at 90. Oh wow. Yeah, potentially. Hope that works for you. Hope that works for you, boy. Come on, give me that volume, GJ. You're getting out of the zone, my boy. Nice, solid hourly closure over here. I may give it a bit more time, not gonna lie. Let me give it a bit more time. 8 minutes left to the candle. Nice. It's coming down over here. How am I going to be managing? I think I may want to just give it a bit more time, to be honest. I think getting out a bit too early. So I'm just going to leave this for the time being, I think.
I think if it exceeds the previous 15-minute lows, I would manage my risk. But apart from that,
yeah,
it's pretty much open.
Yeah. So you got it on the low of the 30.
Yeah, I got it on the low to 30 right now. Yeah.
Yeah. If this fakes out and goes back into that zone, oh my god. I'd be like, holy smokes. Not again, boy. If this comes back and reflips though, I will re-enter as well. For me, it's coming down over here. So coming down over here, I'm going to be managing my risk right here now, guys. I'm going to take off 50, I think, over here. Right about now, I'm going to close half. Close off half. Wicked. So beautiful. Wait 1 second. And I'm going to wait for re-entries when we exceed the highs again. Well, thank you, GJ, for faking us out. You fucking... Oh, shit. Nah, I'm gonna enter for re-enters over here. Maybe just a bit early on, but it broke the highs, and then now it's coming down over here, and we could be chilling. 21 minutes left though, so it's a lot more time, you know. Oh my god, why did you buy at the top? We're not. Oh yeah, the top of the 4 hours. Yeah, yes. Beautiful. So I'm out of the trade. I'm waiting again for the flip over here, to potentially re-enter. But yeah, if this candle in 6 minutes time closes back in this zone, oh my god, I swear to god, if it comes back down to these lows again, that's gotta be shoo. The move already happened. Well, no it didn't, because this is news. This is a closure above, which you know, when we get a closure above and exceeds the highs, we're going to continue. It has made the lower wick though. If it doesn't exceed the 30, we're Gucci to continue bullish. But if it does exceed this low over here, this is going to be a major fake out on the 30-minute. Your body going crazy. No. Buying at the top. Pull back to 4. It's not a big push. It's Gucci. Trust me. I've done this move 4,000 times. Don't you worry. 5 minutes left over here. Let's see. Wow, look at that rejection in the 5 minutes. It was like, hell no, we're not going up yet. Let me just stay in the zone a bit longer. Stay in the zone a bit longer. But look, the hourly's got 49 minutes left, okay? It's just making the little wick to then continue. So beautiful. So I managed that risk there. Took 50% off at like around about 9 pips, and then the rest at 13, 14. So still valuing the hourly. 4 hours still looking good. 30-minute just making the pullback. It's Gucci. It will retrace to 153447. Like here. Wicked.
What a time for my internet to drop out. I'm not even kidding.
No way. Did you fucking Aussie internet?
Yeah.
I swear your Aussie internet is like, bruh.
Yeah,
Holy shit.
I reckon I just sent had an omen sent to me.
Astro Creep, you're thinking this too far, my boy. If you don't like the stream, just go somewhere else. Don't worry about it. Wow, beautiful, Joey. That's really, really good work. Managed risk losing 1%. So you risk 1% and lost 0.6. Beautiful. Coming down over here is exceeding the low of the previous 30. Oof. Oof. Look at that pull down. And we're coming back into the zone, which means a no trade day for me again after this trade. I'm not playing in this zone at all. Hell no. I'd rather take the day off. So 18 minutes left. 3 minutes left of this 15 closing back in. And yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. 47 minutes left though, so a lot of time. Just unfortunately pushed off of here. And this is what happens, you know. A lot of the time, people try and take the buy straight away. The reason why I got in there is because you got the closure. And we made the low wick and we just continued. Made the low wick in the first 10 seconds and then started running off. And I was like, oh yes, boy. So, yeah. 17 minutes left of the candle. Is it going to be exceeding the lows? We know with bullish structure it shouldn't exceed the low. It exceed the high, but it hasn't exceeded the low yet. But if it does, then kind of going to be showing that it's closing back in the zone over here. Yeah, that's true, that's true.
If it never breaks the low and just flies back up.
Oh my god. Was that like fucking taffing, yo?
Still got 50% on.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. I'm gonna be re-entering on this flip. I'm gonna be re-entering on this flip, boy. Don't want it to close in the range. Yep, very, very true. So we'll see over here. In a minute's time, I want it to kind of close above, hopefully around about 7.11. That would be nice. 30 minutes is still valid though, hasn't exceeded the lows yet. It's still got 60 minutes left. So, yeah. You pray to all of the gods. You pray to all of the gods. Don't come back down over here. If you come back in this zone, oh my god, I swear to god. It's forming the support with previous high. Nice. That's not bad, that's not bad. Managing the risks. Goody, goody, goody. So 36 seconds left. 30 seconds left for the closure above. Don't be stressed, bro. Chill, bro. I'm chill as hell. Everyone else is stressed in the chat saying I think that was great. I think on a good day that would have been good, but at the moment GJ is not a good week. So close. Let's take a look over here. Kind of close back in the zone. Oof, not the best, but still 30 minutes is still valid as long as it doesn't exceed the low. If so, then it's going to be a fake out on GJ over here. Let me just update over here. It's called trades. Trades taken. GJ. Where's the T?
And the beauty of magic keys, like I had a 15 pip stop loss and I risked 1.5% and I ended up only losing 1.2. If I had run the whole 15 pips, I would have been down, you know.
Yeah.
Because I usually risk 1.5% per 10 pips.
Yeah. Yeah, that's like the same
so
I do. That's like the
magic
same.
keys.
Magic keys for the win, boy. Magic keys for the win. Yeah, 30 minutes still valid though. I still think if we do exceed these highs again, then we'll be tapping the zone we want to reject to continue bullish. If 30-minute close below resistance, would you be looking for sells? Nope, I'm not taking any trades in this zone at all. Not like I despise the zone. I think it's stupid. Look at the price action in it. It's fucking garbage. I won't be taking any trades in this zone until we break it. And if you did get a closure here, you still got the 4 hour and the daily against you, so it'll be very, very hard. So you have to wait. Yeah, boy. So let's take a look at gold over here. Gold ranging in the zone over here. I mean, potentially breaks above 1868 to continue bullish. Wow. I mean, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour could be flipping as well. GU and GA have all done the same thing over here. Look at that. All rejected. So people in buys who've got slapped on all GBP pairs. Nice. That's what we like. How can I buy magic keys? I've got a link in my bio. It costs like 20 quid. It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Beautiful. Yeah, if you use that thing that Brian's put in, you get a lot of discount, which is pretty good. 42 minutes left though. Let's take a look. Let's exceed the low of the previous 15, exceed the low of the previous 30. Ain't looking good. That is going to be a huge fake out. So what am I looking for now? Potentially, I mean, potentially in the next candle, either this one or the other one to close bullish above. That's the only thing I'm looking for GG. I'm not taking any sells. I'm just not taking it. I think it'll be very silly. Look at this. GA rejected as well. So GA a fake out. GU a fake out. Potentially. If it breaks down these lows. Damn, son. All GBP pairs. But just look at how much we risked in that zone. And how much we would have gave. Like, really, really clean candles to the left. You know, 55 pip zone. It was worth it. It was worth it. So, that's what we got over here. And then when we actually came up over here, so what time did we get in over here? Yeah, right around this zone. We got up around about like 3 pips. And we did say, Antonio said if we come back up to this high, we're going to put stops to break even, which is what I would have done as well. But yeah, just faked out over here. Ooh. Hello, 30-minute. Hello, hourly. Luke Trades London is talking about you. What? Who is that geezer? Is he actually? What's he saying? Dude. London is itself a fake session. Gotta wait for Holy NY as always. Holy NY. Let's take a look at these 5 minutes though. It is just pondering on this resistance right here, which could be acting as support, which is interessante. 10 minutes left though. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Agreed. London session sucks. London session's alright though. Sometimes it's just sometimes it is a bit bad over here. But you guys think very very small-mindedly, as in like in the days. If it's like a bad week, that's only like 5 days in the trading sessions. So you gotta chill. You gotta chill. He trades SMC now. Let's take a look over here.
You ever thought to yourself, how cool would it be to spy on the actions of the most professional investors and fully copy their trading strategies?
Doing right now. 47 likes, got 147.
It's that fucking Astro Creep kid. Oh shit. What the fuck? Where's my stream gone? Oh no. What the fuck? Oh, there, okay. There we go. Wait, where's the stream gone? Holy shit, 1 second. I think the stream has gone over here. 1 second. Oh, it is on. What the fuck? How can I night guys not see you? I'm so confused. Wait 1 sec. No, that's not it. Ah, yeah, nice. Okay, got it back. Wicked. Wicked. Right, get rid of that. Nice. Okay, I got it back now. Let's move this over here. That was weird. So, still coming down over here. Nice. Wicked stuff. Still 7 minutes left though. If this closes back in the zone, this is going to be a fake out. Oh my god. I think gold looks really nice at NY. 4 hours starts rejecting the zone again. Are you looking to host any streamer soon? What, like a guest? Yeah, I'd love to do a guest. I think that'd be pretty cool. What do you think about core retail sales at NY? Ooh, I think that would be pretty decent. A lot of volume, probably for gold. Let's take a look at what they expect. So, expecting 1.3%, so more than I expected. So, which is good for the US, which is bad for gold. Okay. That's not too shabby. As I said, I'm going to be looking for gold sells below 1862. I think that'd be pretty nice. From the day I joined you, GG has been trash. Very, very true. You should have joined a couple weeks before. That shit was fire. But But I can't do anything about that, so all you have to do is learn the bits that I can teach you through the times where the charts are shit. Are December and January good months to trade? Probably not the best. Probably not the best. February, March, April, they're good ones. They're good ones. Learn to be patient and disciplined. Well, that's the thing that will make you a good trader. Yeah, Uncle Tread, my boy. Nice. 6 minutes left over here. Getting a closure back in the zone. What an absolute fake out. I mean, still 36 minutes left. But wow, that's a big fake out. GJ gonna fly, bro. Well, I hope so, and it didn't. So I'm gonna be waiting more. I'm still waiting for this hourly flip. I think the hourly flip could be good to continue bullish again. But I'm gonna be patiently waiting. Thing is though, if we retrace back, we're back in the zone. So people are saying, oh, we should just retrace back over here, like around about 4:30, and then take buys. The issue I'm having with that is that we're still in this zone. So retracing back like here is just where this was, just where this was, just where this was. I'm not taking any trades in this zone at all. Hell no, hell no. What do you think about enter when the 4-hour flip on gold is rejecting 1865, and I think it can head 1870 easily? I mean, potentially. 4-hour is flipping. Daily's bullish. It's coming towards the daily resistance right here, which is quite scary. Someone says, I'm not even looking at this as a fake out. This is a fake out. In terms of what me and, you know, Raja say, this is a fake out. A complete fake out. So that's how I've been taught, and that's what it is. So this is a fake out. This is not a change of structure. This is not a whatever you say. This is a... Can I send my chart here? Yeah, sure. Send your charts. Wow, that's amazing. So someone is 1.5% down on the challenge, and 8 days are done. That's really, really good managing risk. Holy shit. Yeah, if you just need a couple, like 2-3 days where the volume is Gucci, it'd be grand. Nice. But repetition is key. Yeah, keep on doing the same trades again and again. As long as you manage the downside, you're Gucci. Four minutes left though, closing back in the zone. We'll have to take a look. But yeah, as I said, I'm not taking any trades in this. I'm going to be waiting for another closure back up. Probably. The hourly's still got 30 minutes left, still half of the time left. So yeah. Yeah, boy. There's just such nice zones to fill. Look at this. Look at the wicks to the side. Oh, delicious. Clean candles. Maybe GJ will form support at around 153.450 with NY volume to be able to move up, potentially. But good luck with that because I ain't trading in this zone again. I'd rather just chill over here and take potentially some golds, etc., etc. But yeah, still very, very slow. I want this volume back. Come on. Come on, GJ. Don't cock tease me like that. You're ready a pound. This is good though. Yes. Okay, finally coming above over here. 50 minutes closing in 2 minutes time. Potentially above the range again. Oof. This is looking Gucci. Potential re-entries if you make some support over here. Back above 692 would be nice. Which will be then flipping the hourly. Look at this now. Nice. This may be an option because the stop loss here will be around about 10 pips on the flip. To continue back bullish. The 30 minute is closing. But where's it closing? It's closing above, so I'm not really asked. It's closing above over here. Nice. So I have to see it's rejecting the zone, which is what I wanted it to do. If this closed below, then hell no. But it looks like price is starting to reject this zone to continue to the next. So we'll take a look over here.
If the next 15-minute candle just starts to be bullish and breaks the previous highs, then is it good to take up a buy?
Yeah, but I think we have to wait for the low wick first. But yeah, for sure. And this is
Yeah,
nice.
for sure.
Like this zone, so you can see 153.735. That's a zone where I'd be looking, because look, there's wicks to the left. If we do exceed them over here, I think that'd be nice. So like around about, yeah, 735 would be my second chance of this trade over here. Onion set up on the 15th. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. People call it onion. I just say support forming. Yeah, beautiful. Which will then flip the hourly in 30 minutes time, which then would be nice and tasty. Bit stronger over here would be nice. So potentially the lower wick and the flip to the lower wick will then give me, if it wants to fake out and continue, that'll be grand. And if it does exceed this high over here, we should continue. Are you entering? I'm waiting for this candle to close, and I'm waiting for the lower wick to form. But I kind of want it a bit stronger than this, to be honest. There we go. So yeah, we chill, get a nice closure. This would be onion play. So we can actually make the support like right around here. This is what I'm looking at over here, like that. I'm going to be looking for buys above here. 735. And this will be the second entry. 30-minute closed above. That's why I kind of like it. The 50 minutes closed over here. Kind of want to make a bigger lower wick first, and then to flip and exceed, because the lower wick will decide if it wants to come back in our zone over here. So hopefully we can get that over here. Right, goody. So I'm going to give this a buy stop over here. So this is the celery play, onion play. If you do exceed this high, I've got it activated now. So let me just put this on over here. 613. Yeah, I don't mind how far this low comes as long as it doesn't exceed the low of the previous. I'm not asked. The further down it comes, the better, because then we get the wick up, and then the confirmation that we're rejecting this zone. What the fuck is an onion play? This. I'll show you what it looks like. People call it. This is from FOREX Stream, but I just call it support forming. This one. You get me? You get me? Right, I'm in a trade right now. Beautiful. This will be the last time I'm taking this this chance. If we can't continue, then tough fucking shit, mate. I'm gonna be taking off 50% if you exceed these lows right here. This is the second attempt on GJ. 50% off at 153.636. Nice. So second attempt. If this doesn't work, then yeah, unfortunately we're still chalked over here, but still good. We're making some support. The 5-minute looks tasty. We should continue bullish over here. Spread your wings, GJ. Come on, spread your wings. Why do you make entries when it's making higher high? What? Why do you make entries when it's making higher high? What do you mean? It's making higher highs. Yes, that's what bullish is. That's why I'm buying. Nice one. Just never heard the term onion play. Ah, yeah. Support forming. This is from FOREX Stream. Shout out FOREX. One of my boys. And yeah, beautiful. When we come to this high right here, I'm going to be closing, not closing anything. I'm going to be putting my stop loss to break even. I'm not going to be closing shit at 10 pips. I think we can continue. I'm going to wait over here. Because we've had such a big stop, I may actually move this over here to potentially take a look over here. 154. I think if we continue, we could easily hit 154, which is just here, which is 27 pips away. But as I said, when we come to these highs, I'll put my stop loss to break even. That's what I'm thinking about. Look at the hourly now, doing what I want it to do. Give me that volume, boy! Come on, give me that volume. I'm sick of seeing like little things. Just push, push, boy. Yeah, you give me that money back, you little shitbag. It will fly up. Well, yeah, maybe not. We don't know.
I'm gonna break even, my boy.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be a break even very, very soon. Very, very soon.
I have 5 pieces, but 6 I put break even too.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna probably put in break even when we hit a little bit high over here. Didn't close your trade in the top. Damn, you're holding it on. Some diamond hands over here. Open, please. Yeah, I will in a second. Just watching this trade over here, seeing how I could potentially get out. Always looking at how to get out. It's the way to do it. It's the way to do it, boy. So because the 30-minute is bullish over here, sorry, the last 30 minutes bearish, this could be making the top wick to then flip. I don't think it is going to do that, but it is a potential. So for me, I'm going to be putting my stop loss to break even right about now. We just hit 56, which hit 6 pips over here. So stop loss to break even. Gorgeous.
Yeah. Same. 5 minutes break the high of the previous 5 minutes.
Yeah. This will be my second attempt. Hopefully we can continue. If not, then tough shit. Tough shit, boy. So this is a break even right now. Come on, boy. Keep on continuing. Come on. Come on, GJ. Get some volume in your life, GJ. Come on, man. Get some volume in your life, boy. Let's take a look over here. We've came back, we've rejected the zone, we should be continuing it nicely over here.
Don't hit my break even.
It was very, very close there. Holy shit, I was holding it. I was like, fuck. Now, come on, GJ. Oh, my God. Right, coming back down over here now. Potentially hitting a break even soon. But that is a second attempt. I don't want to be losing my second attempt. I've given it a chance. I've given it enough room. It was up about 6 pips. If it wants to hit my stop loss to break even, then so be it. Yeah, it's hit. So, fuck GJ. That's the thing, you know. I wanted the price to continue here. It couldn't do that. So, what do you expect? The 30-minute over here maybe flip it to continue bearish. So, really good managing of the trade there. So, break even hit over here. Nice. Spreads took me out of break even. Sick and tired of these commission-free accounts now. Yeah, well, don't use commission-free then. Get a nice one.
I'm not.
Nice. Yeah, it's too early to stop break even. Not on the second trade over here. I wanted to be careful because the 30-minute over here. is making the top wick to continue. 21 minutes left, still a lot of time. I wanted the push. It came up to these highs, and yeah, couldn't continue. Yeah, second entry potentially if this candle closes in 6 minutes time above, but we'll have to see. Gold over here is in a range, still chilling in this range. Nice. Does your magic keys cover spreads? Yes, I set it to cover spreads. Cheers to those who didn't put a stop loss to break even. I hope it works. But I gave it enough room. I gave it another chance. Yes, Ming got the thing. So I don't care if I'm in 6 to 7 pips profit. I'll put a stop loss to break even. I'm not going to take a loss after 7 pips in profit. Yep. True. That's what I do. That's good for your, you know, your risk management, also for your psychology. Like, it's not good taking a freaking 7 pips, you know, you're blue, you're looking good, and then it comes and hits your stop loss. Oh, that's like really bad for your mental state on it. For sure, like, pain in the ass. Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that shit. Still got time though, but yeah, it's just chilling now. GBPUSD is coming up. GA is also rejecting lows, so it's just a low volume, to be honest. 7 AM, got some nice volume. Again, 7 AM, but that was because of the news, to be fair. The news pushed it up. The news cook-teased us. So people in this trade now, you know, think about what's going to happen in the trade. It's still bullish, you know, it hasn't exceeded the low, which is good. It's got 5 minutes left. However, the 5-minute close on bearish like this doesn't really give me much confirmation to continue. Watch a market like a cobra. 40 people in Zoom as well. We chilling, but yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for this closure again. But I gave it a second chance, and still not playing out the way I want it to. 90 minutes left of this hourly though. Ooh, oh, kill him. The good thing is it's still holding this zone right here, which is nice. If it comes back into this zone here, hell no, I'll be getting out of them buys if you're in any, because we've rejected it once, rejected it twice. If it comes down over here, that won't be good. Let's hope 1 hour salary play now. Nah, it looks like it's gonna flip over here potentially. Another closure in 4 minutes time, and now it's running nicely. So here now people are in, probably stop loss to break even.
Tepe hit, bro. Tepe.
10 pip. Did you hold?
Bro. Easy, easy.
Did you hold it? Nice. Wait, did that hit 10 pips? What the fuck? Oh my god, it did. Holy shit. Nice. Well, people who held that trade, amazing. But I'm gonna be waiting for another 15 to close over here. So, well, because that's what happens. You have to manage risk. You can't be pissed off with that. Price also closed, you know, a bearish 5 minute. Hell no. 3 minutes time over here. 3 minutes time. Potentially if it gets a closure above. Nice. Still very slow. Look at the hourly though. 17 minutes left. Doing what I want it to do. It's going to be flipping the hourly potentially. Nice. And Goldie is in a huge range over here. So from 1868 to 1862. Nice 60 pip zone. Even struggling here, guys. Still, look at the 5 minute. Just not a lot of volume. GA 10 pips hit now on break even. Nice. So GA pull back up as well. How did you get in? Oh, the 15 minute. It did what GJ did. Nice. Nice, nice, and nice. Yeah, beautiful. So nice break-even trade and a little loss over here. But it's still not moving the same how I want it. Look at it now. Look at it. Oh my god, like, jeez. So, GJ was giving us the cookies that I was leaving the zone beautifully, but it still cannot. It still cannot! Unfortunately, but what can you do, eh? What can you do? Didn't see it hit 10 pips, damn. So 142, it did on this, but yeah, maybe on your broker, maybe different. As I said, now if you guys are in this trade, you should be a break even. Price is not going the same way you want it to. It should be now, like what I expected this candle to do is to close like this, strong. Next one makes the little wick and continues bullish over here.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
You know what I mean?
Minutes.
Yeah, it's not playing nicely. So still choked over here. Still choked. Look at that. So look at the 30-minute now, rejecting the highs again. You should be hitting a break-even trade if you haven't closed 10 pips over here. You shouldn't be holding this on. No diamond hands for that shit. Don't you lose money if you close winners at 10 pips but hold losers for more than 10 pips? Yeah, but that's why my TP over here was 27. And also depends on if you're managing your risk. So if your stop loss is 10 pips but you close half at 5, then you've actually took a 7 pip loss. Look at that again, so rejecting the highs again. Look at the top wick of the 30, got 50 minutes left potentially to come down.
Break even again.
Yeah. You tried once, you tried twice. Just not giving you it. Gold still ranging. GE potentially was nice, but yeah, wow. So a little loser and a break-even trade for this morning. So let's just update this over here. Break-even trade. Break-even trade. Nice. Anyone spewing vulgarities at the price action? Yes. Trust me. Holding it is being patient or greedy. Probably greedy on this one, to be honest. If this works out for you, good. But, you know, if you do that 1,000... You know, you need to think about this. If you did that 1,000 times, right? How many times are you going to win this trade if it starts to push up? Maybe like 20? You know, 100? The very, very low probability. Doesn't mean they can't happen. That's the thing what people get up. Like, if you take a winning trade from this, you know, you just got 5 minutes rejecting the highs again. It's not looking good. Probably going to come back down over here. But it still could potentially work. And if it does work, you know, that's not a miracle. There's still probability. There's probability that anything can happen. So, would I take a trade? At the moment, probability is quite bad because the price action is very, very low and very, very slow and very, very shitty. But when it's good, you know, I know my probability is a lot higher. So, yeah. If Seri plays on 1 hour happens, will you be taking it on 1 hour? Potentially, if you get a nice lower wick, potentially. But me, I'm not asked. Like, if this comes and runs now, that's fine. Like, I tried it fucking 3 times. So I mean, nah, I tried it twice, but I gave it enough option. I gave it enough room. It was up 6 pips, but I couldn't continue. So very, very cautious now. Yeah, so potential Seri play. So people who want to know what a Seri play is, it means when we exceed the highs of the previous bearish candle. So 4 hour closing in an hour's time. But yeah, on the lower time frames, you can kind of see there's no volume. Like, look at it. So 8 o'clock opened, like here, came down, now just ranging. Like, it's not a lot of volume. GJ is so tough still. Yeah, it's garbage. The good thing is though, like, so I lost like 1.7% on that trade. But I'm not asked because my last week I made like 2 point something percent. The week before I made 15. The week before I made 10. The week before I made 9. So I'm not asked. Like I don't care about these shitty weeks. The weeks don't defy you. They only defy you when you start blowing your account trying to take these shitty trades. Okay, so just leave it the fuck alone. GU is looking good. Yeah, so GU is what I wanted GJ to do. Okay, so it's made the lower wick. Started to flip over here. 50 minutes making some support to continue. Nice. That's what I wanted GJ to do over here. Holding isn't greedy, it's patience. Well, your opinion, Max. No. That's what people who can't trade say. I'm gonna hold it, I'm gonna hold it. That's what I did at the start of the trading career. Just holding. Looking good now. Look at the hourly flipping finally. 10 minutes left. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my god. Just runs up to the high and then just moves down 33 pips. Oh. This is 50 minutes though. 10 minutes time. If it closes above, potentially. Max, I've noticed if ATM doesn't have any volume, 9 AM goes ham. I've seen that actually. That's a good point. That is a good point. Good analysis there. For sure. How many chances we got to give GJ? Too many chances. Thing is with the hourly, it looks clean, but it's like, bro, if you drop down the lower time frames, like, what is it doing? Look at GA. Yep, exceeding the highs, nice. Continuing, exceeding the highs, the hourly. 4 hour moving up over here. Oh, look at GJ. Oh, fuck. People trying to take them buys again. Hell no, you wait, you wait. Bless people trying to take them buys again. As I said, we've already given it 2 times now. Unless it gives me a bloody gorgeous setup with like another closure above, like solidly, I'm gonna be staying away. Getting a closure in 9 minutes time. Okay. Wow, gold is pushing up over here. Holy shit. It is coming towards daily resistance though. But potentially a closure in 9 minutes time, making the low wick and flipping. Gold heading to 1870, yeah. Sure is, sure is. Sure is. The amount of times I've seen a rejection from upside on a 50-minute for the next 50-minute count to close above the rejection literally makes no sense. I think that's just recently, man. Not all the time, I think recently. Recently it has been. These last couple of weeks, yeah, for sure. For sure, my man. 30 just chilling over here. 80 minutes time left. Still not exceeding the highs. Coming down over here. Just, yeah, bad price action. So just take a breather. Take a relax. And just wait. Wait. People in the mentorship, we're going to be doing the simulation session tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So that'll be good fun. We're going through. I might do December. I might do start December of last year just to see what it's like. Yeah.
I think it's ugly. I lost on a little account last year in December.
These little lucky, yeah, that's fair. Gold is breaking above. Shee! Nice, look at that 5-minute close and no top wick. No top wick on the 5 minute shows there's so much volume over here. Damn, son. I hope that we'll have some volume while simulating. Hopefully. Gold's making some support though, rejecting these lows. I was looking for sells below 1862.3. 830 making some bullish runs over here. Nice. So let's see where the daily is. If it exceeds these daily highs, damn. You can see where price is coming up to though. 1909 for like higher. Damn. You sent a chart on Discord. Let's take a look. Look at gold, my friend. Yeah, the gold's looking good. Holy shit. A lot going on over here. Oh wow, you got in some GBPJPYs over here. Shee. Nice. Nice buys. Okay. Beautiful. You had a tiny stop over here. Actually, no, wait. Got it at 480. 300. So you got like a 15 pip stop. I can't really see because this is on the hourly. Let's just zoom in a bit higher over here. So you entered when this candle came back up. Nice. Looked like it worked pretty well over here. So now you could trail your stop loss and have your stop like right around this zone. So if this rejects the highs, then you can take your profits over here, because if it does reject, it could come back and fill this zone back up. Someone took some gold buys. Nice. 5 minutes over here coming up. Shee. 4 hour coming up, daily coming up, exceeding the high of the previous daily. Holy smokes. A lot of volume over here. Shee. Oh shit, look at that. Oh, closing the hourly. I mean, potentially waiting for a bottom wick and exceeding the highs. I may take. That could be delicious over here. Gold is going crazy. Exceed the high of the dailies coming up now. Nice. This is running deliciously. Look at them 5 minute candles. So much bullish momentum over here. GU looking better than GJ. Yeah, it's coming towards a little bit of resistance, which could be a bit of a pain. But yeah, gold is running off over here. Sheesh. Goldilocks is on fire. So 3 minutes time, looking nice with the volume, etc. Potentially, it's gonna be my third trade though, so I don't know if I'm gonna take it or not. Wow, look at that! I mean, fuck GJ, like, come on, man. So people who said they're greedy and that I said you're not greedy and you're holding it. How's that going for you? Fuckwits. The price action's bad, boy. If this wins now and you win here, that's just you being greedy and very, very lucky. Price is not moving the way you want it to. I gave it a second chance to continue. It didn't do it. And yeah. Oh my god. Goldilocks. Nice. Flying. Why look at GJ? It's slower than a grandma. Did you backtest GJ a lot? Yeah. Backtest GJ a lot over here. And that's why I don't get phased with these parts of GJ. You know, even though it's annoying and a pain in the ass, I backtested it so many times that I know what works. It's just when price action's a bit shit, you just have to chill out. You have to take a chill pill. Oh my god, yeah, GG gold's ran a lot over here, continuing. When support was forming over here, that was pretty tasty. On the 4 hour flip, oh. Why am I looking every single time we look at GJ? Fucking gold has an amazing move. GJ sucks ass. GA over here, nice. So coming back up. It should continue to 695, I think, which is like around about 15 pips away, which is good. This is goody. But here you can see we have a course of backtesting. No, there's no course on backtesting. You just have to backtest. Just go through the days and just work out what's good. Your own style. Just use soft 4FX. That's what I use. Yeah, Connor 10 pips daily took a buy. Yeah, he would have taken the buy at the same place as me, probably. That's probably would have happened. Oh my god! Goldie! Yeah, this has ran way too much for me, I think, now to get like a nice 10 pip stop, unfortunately. Gold didn't give me a chance to enter. Exactly. The only thing you could have possibly have done is saw the support here when I was looking for fucking GJ. And then this made the lower wick, exceeding the high in the 4 hour. To be fair, how big would that stop would have been? Still quite a big stop. Let's go with 15. Here. Potentially 830, exceeding the high with the stop loss below, respecting the support to continue bullish, which flips into the 4 hour potentially. But yeah, there isn't much of that. That just looks like news to me, to be honest. That's why you need a plan to avoid FOMO. You know only 1 out of 10 times gold will have a run at this time of day. Most of the time it fakes out and the real moves happen NY. Exactly, mate. Exactly. You in the 10 pips daily group? No, I just like Connor. He posted on Instagram. He's one of my boys. And now GJ coming back up again. Like, oh my god, get out, boy. So hourly closing over here, nice. Closed bearish. 50-minute closed bullish. Any other ways to get in? Unfortunately for me, the price action is fucking garbage. Are you thinking of anything, Antonio, or not? Is Antonio even in here? Antonio's gone. Celery on the 1 hour, potentially, but look at the price action, man. I think if I took a second trade over here, it would be very, very pain in the ass. The good thing is the 30-minute did close bullish above it as well. 1 hour break of the highs, like 850 or break of 884. That is what you need to decide. That is what you need to decide. Goldilocks has done the closure now above everything. It's flying. It's flying. GJ Fire set up 30-minute closure below. Closure above? Yeah, potentially to fill up the zone, like I said. The thing is, how could you get in over here? 12, 13 pips to continue. Could be nice, could be nice. So GJ, what it's doing is making the low wick of the hourly. I mean, potentially, if it brings the volume again, exceeding the highs at like 850. That's only if you really want to take the trade. For me, the price action is fucking garbage. Wow, a lot of volume in gold over here. Damn. So making the hourly lower wick now. Shee. Making hourly lower wick tasty. If you get in on the high, stop loss is around about 20 pips right now. 17 pip gain. Where's my magic keys? So Goldilocks, very, very bullish over here, has closed above our dailies So potentially a wick fill if you do get in on the. Let's take a look at the flip. Exceeding the high over here with a 20 pip stop. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I think that could be the last trade I could potentially look for. Look at that hourly, looking tasty as ever. The only issue is that it has ran up a lot already, and it is only the start of the candle. GJ over here rejecting again for the 17,000th time. Tasty. Let's take a look towards the left. Where could we potentially see price continuing? Oh shit, there's nothing to the left, boy. If we do continue up over here, yeah, 17. So when price came up before, it had a resistance right around the zone. 1882 was nice. Tasty. Getting a 5-minute bearish closure over here. 15 is just making the lower wick though. Let's take a look at the 30 as well. Yeah, I maybe take this exceeding the high over here with stop loss below 20 pip stop to continue and fill the wick it's just created over here. Yeah, I may be taking this over here. So I've got a buy stop on the zone over here. This is going to be the last trade of the session. And yeah, we can see if we can potentially continue. Over here. Lot of bullish momentum over here. So I've got a buy stop. Right at this high to continue bullish. To potentially flip and continue. So nice, made the low wick, rejected where I wanted to do, so then continue potentially bullish over here. Eight minutes time, got half of the candle left, hopefully to potentially continue. The reason why I like it is because we've got a beautiful zones to these highs over here.
I impulsed on a gold sell. Stupid, but I got 15 pips.
Oh fucking hell, wow. Wowzer. Nice.
I just waited till it pushed so hard, I was like, it's gonna have to retrace at some stage. This is ridiculous. And then it just started pulling back a little bit. I was like, oh, I'll just put on a quick sell, super tight stop loss, just at the top of that wick. And it just rallied straight down. I was like, yeah, take that.
Take that. Nice.
Because the worst that would have happened, I would have lost like 2.5 pips because I had such a tight stop loss.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, yeah, I'll see how it goes.
Tasty. Up around about 5 pips now. 6 pips. Beautiful. Stop loss to break even over here. Stop loss to break even. Beautiful.
Get it, get it, get it.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Stop loss to break even, motherfuckers.
I'm hoping the boys are eating. I hope the boys are
eating too. Stop loss to break even over here. We should be continuing up around about 50 pips over here. That's not 50, 5 pips. To continue bullish. If not, that'll be a break even. So because it's my 3rd trade, I don't want to be taking any more losses. So yeah, we'll have to see. And there we go, break even trade. So Bob's your uncle. Beautiful. So session here, 2 break evens, 1 loss over here. Tried to take some trades. and they did not fall through, unfortunately. It is 9:10 now. I'm going to be waiting for the NY session to potentially take some trades.
The god tier NY session. Let's make it happen.
Yeah, boy. Looks like it's continuing over here now, though. Little shit gold. But yeah, I wanted my stop loss to break even over here. Beautiful.
So volatile. Stupid.
Yeah, it's fucking mad. Beautiful. Should continue to these highs over here and flip up. Beautiful. If people have held that on for sure now, stop loss to break even, you should be up around about 13 pips over here. So TP1 hit if held. Damn, look at that, exceeding the highs over here. If this wants to continue, if you guys do want to hold it on, gorgeous. How far did that hit? Why did that hit my stop? I think it only went to, let's take a look over here. Yeah, right around here. Look at the 1 minute. Just tap me. So people are getting a bit later. They may have held that on over here. For sure, take some profits now if you are in this trade. But yeah, most of the break-evens have hit over here. Amazing. So yeah, guys, I'm going to end the stream off here, guys. We're going to be doing the drop-in session for the mentorship squad. But yeah, thank you very much for coming on. And we'll see you guys through NY private stream, if not tomorrow for London. Let's go. Right, see you guys later. Peace out. Peace out on YouTube.